Can I come in?
I only have the 2 5Ks hooked up right now.
Really?
Yeah, I had the 4.
Woo.
Yeah, I have 4 of one on them strapped, but it didn't like it too much.
It didn't?
It was tearing, the stuff was just falling apart.
It was?
So I'm going to put 2 back on. I mean, I'll put the other 2 back on. So.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it's 4 brutal sounds, 5Ks.
Yep. Wow. This looks good, man. I know it's a work in progress, but you can tell when this is finished, it's going to be super clean.
Yeah, it started out, it's all got grill work like this behind it.
Yes, sir.
But the only reason why we didn't do anything right now is because we wanted to make this show. Yep. So we hurry up and kind of like slapped it together.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Still working on it.
I like the back where you can remove the panel to get the subs in, so you don't even have to mess with your loading wall.
Yeah.
That's brilliant right there.
Yeah, my wife got tired of kind of climbing in and out of it. So
yes, sir.
I would make her climb in. So.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay.
That looks nice.
Yeah. Do you know the specs of your enclosure?
Yeah. So this is a 4th order. It's 2.5 to 1.
Okay.
It's 7 cubes sealed and 19.9 on the on the high side.
Okay.
Tuned to 42.
42. And have you metered it yet?
Yeah, it do 156.
Nice. Okay.
Obviously the other 2 5Ks, it'll do 160.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Awesome.
The LEDs are so
Yeah, it looks really good. Hey, thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Bryan Armstrong.
Bryan. All right. Have a good day, man. Thanks for showing me. We'll walk away now.
Leave a pussy
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.